This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes, Mr. Why didn't you disclose this fact here?
This can is not mine.
So when you yourself are not satisfied, when you
regarding 4.
No, forget about 4. He has said, just a moment.
They gave the data.
So data has been given. You will send the data.
Can 2, not can 3.
Who is can 3?
Dippendu Chatterjee.
So call him. Call Dippendu. On what basis he has given this statement?
He was behind me, Mr. Bhattacharya. He was beside Mr. Bhattacharya.
Wait, no, just a word. This is not a. We want to. Why then, Mr. This becomes a withholding of information.
But that is not my. Regarding
earlier you called for Dippendu Chatterjee.
Regarding my lord, who are not that state qualified because they published 3 lists. Because the whole fact is not placed before the
No, whole fact will not be placed. Everybody.
Yes, because of that, my lord, 3 lists published subsequently after Somen Nondi matter. One is that state list, who are the state qualified. Another list is that who got appointment in 2016. By telling that list, who are not even state qualified. Kindly peruse the CAN 70 all document. There are several candidates not even past the TET. Their name featured in the selection list. We tallied these 3 lists. So break up list. And that regarding 94 candidate, my lord, out that 94 candidate, we identified them. After identifying that candidate in Somen Nondi's matter, they says yes, these 94 because CBI and ED gave 3,000 lists. Out of that 3,000 list, CAN 70, my lord, the board's affidavit is annexed, my lord, board's report. Out of that CBI and ED report, they says that 94 candidates, they not even passed it, they are in service till 2016 to 2022, my lord.
Then what happened? Then,
my lord, board says that their service will be terminated. They directly went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court says without giving the opportunity.
That is Somen Nondi.
Somen Nondi matter.
Yes.
Everything happened in the Somen Nondi matter because first CBI direction in Somen Nondi, Ramesh Malik matter, my lord. So not only that, my lord, the selection committee, Sister Emily, my lord, he filed the affidavit. Next day I placed that affidavit, my lord. He not even attend a single meeting, my lord.
Who?
The Sister Emily. Sister Emily, selection committee, one of the selection committee members, agenda 14, it is mentioned in this.
All right, you finish up.
My lord, wait. Document is required, my lord. There are several anomalies that illegal it is.
Right. Yes. Then paragraph 18 you have showed us.
Yes, my lord. With the rest, my lord, I don't think, my lord, I need to. Therefore, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharya has chosen to rely on CAN 3 in support of his case that there were gross irregularities. Lord, I have in my own humble way tried to demonstrate before your lordships that none of them are correct.
Yes.
You're 70, my lord.
70.
Yes.
Achha, wait. Yes.
But I'm told your CAN 70 has not been allowed, subject to correction.
Yes. The writ petition is pending after
CAN 70, has it been allowed or not?
Not allowed.
But finish, matter ends over there. What is pending in other court, how are we got?
Don't listen to him, you talk with us.
CAN 70, after in pursuance of Somen Nondi's matter, 3 lists published. After telling that list, they says on 28 November 2022, board published a notice. In pursuance of court order, they published a list. Very next day, they says that list is erroneous. We will file error-free list. We publish the error-free list till date. No list. From 2022 to today, no list is published.
So that is subject matter of a separate proceeding.
Yes,
but is pending.
The subject matter is that it is a selection process. There is a panel.
There had been illegal.
There must be a panel, either panel with the board or yes, Basura.
Let him finish.
Panel. place that panel.
Don't repeat that. He will answer that. He will answer. Yes.
And not only that, just one thing.
Wait.
Regarding S. Basurai company, where is the prior government approval?
We have questioned them,
But
we have asked. Yes. Yes, Mr.
Milord, with respect, Milord, my learned friend should make a distinction between, if at all, an error in the procedure and corruption. These two things are not the same. Milord, your lordships are hearing service matters every day,
Yes.
where, Milord, points are placed before your lordship that this, the error over here, that is the error over here, he has been discriminated, somebody has been superseded. These are not, Milord, facets of corruption. The corruption is completely different thing. Just trying to pick up holes here and there and shouting corruption. No, in a case where I come before the court saying that I have got higher number, a person who has secured lesser number has been appointed. Your lordships are dealing with these matters almost every day. Now, what does the writ court do? The writ court, Milord, sets right the wrong or corrects the erroneous process.
Yes.
Milord, that is not corruption.
This you have argued at.
Yes. No, because of these side talks, Milord, I get, I mean, overzealous.
Yes.
Now, this is a very shiny word. Now, Milord, kindly take, Milord. So many, Milord, litigations were filed. There's large-scale corruption. State police machinery will not be impartial. Let it go to a third agency, which is absolutely impartial, to instill confidence in the members of the public. Let it go before the CBI. Now, this process had gone before the CBI. Now, kindly look into, Milord, the CBI charge sheets. Milord, your lordships are not in an inquisitorial proceedings. Unfortunately, Milord,
Yes, what you want to show from this?
Yes. Now please take, Milord, the
But
charge
you have not answered our query as
Which one,
regards
sir?
publication of panel. Whether there was any publication.
Yes, Milord. Milord, I'll give your lordship, Milord, examples. Number one is, Milord, as your lordships have seen, Milord, the rule, Milord, does not.
You have said that.
Yes.
There is no
Number
provision.
two. Yes. Number two is, Milord, the lists were published, Milord, in the respective councils' boards.
Any document, any
Yes,
letter
I'll tell you, lordship, why. Now, how do it is a
was published on the respective
Milord,
DPCs.
yes. Milord, litigations were filed galore, Milord, challenging those lists, saying that he has jumped over me, he has superseded me, etc. Now, how did these people, Milord, make these or file these litigations? Because they got the
That is a contrary answer you are giving. We are asking a simple question. Was the panel published?
yes, Milord, in the respective councils.
But that
Of
was
the
not
council.
stated in the affidavit of the president. This
The orders
publication.
are there. I'll show Milord one or two orders.
Yes. So
Yes.
apprise us on that
Yes.
issue.
But please take, Milord, one of the orders, for example. এটা কোথায় পাবে?
So that you want us to point out orders which were writ petitions were preferred with averments that panel has been
Yes.
published, and we secured more marks and we have been not given. That was the allegation.
Milord, if your lordship may kindly take me one order of justice, single judge's order, Milord, of Justice Orijit Banerjee.
Yes. Which paragraph?
But I think Mr. Mujumdar had placed.
Yes, both has both Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya and
Yes.
Orijit Banerjee. Orijit Banerjee, his lordship says, inquisitorial process, roving inquiry, I
Yes.
will not enter
Yes.
into it. Justice Bhattacharya accepted that view. But show us that line. Show us the line.
All the writ petition panel were annexed. That writ petition I will come and show that filed the writ petition 2017-18 annexing the panel. There are
Show us.
writ petition.
Show us. Or we have not been given that. Orijit Banerjee order, you have given me the order. You
Justice Banerjee's order, it was recorded, it was a public document.
বের কর না, লাইনটা বের কর না, না বলে বের কর না।
do you have it with you? Very good. We take note of that. You produce that certified copy.
সেটা অবশ্যই আছে।
And your lordship, the writ petition number,
Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya.
Obiul Sheikh is Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya, right?
All right, we shall look.
Yes.
Your statement, you are making a statement with sufficient. You must have seen that is
Yes,
why
madam.
that panels were enclosed there.
That panels were enclosed.
Very good.
Paragraph 28, 29 of Obiul Sheikh writ petition.
Achha.
কিন্তু জজ সাহেব তো
There are 28,
29 of the writ petition being numbered.
of Hiranmoy Bhattacharya order.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Several writ petitions were there which were heard by Justice.
Yes, Robiul. We remember Robiul. Paragraphs.
Paragraph WP number 23102 of 2018.
Achha, read para 28.
May I just read paragraph? Yes. 27, 28, 26 onwards.
No, read that line now.
Yes, yes. That from the list of the impaneled candidates of Bengali medium in respect of district Malda into the affair, the last cut-off marks for getting impaneled was so and so. That the list of impaneled candidates of Bengali medium in respect of district Malda list of impaneled candidates
Yes.
in Bengali in respect of Malda are annexed here to and marked with attachment.
My lord, to make the things easier, my lord, in respect of Can 9, I have annexed 3 such lists. In Can 9, I have annexed list of 3 DPSCs.
I
Malda, Murshidabad, Dinajpur.
27, 28, 26, 27, 28
Yes, yes.
of the
There's a merit list, my lord.
29, 26 to 29 of the writ petition,
Of Robiul.
and this writ petition was filed. This was prior in the point of time, the writ petition of 2018, and these writ petitions have been filed in the year 2022.
My
There
lord,
are common petitions.
my lord,
There are common petitions.
my lord, in Can 9, my lord, I have annexed 3 merit lists of Malda, Murshidabad, and Uttar Dinajpur. At the time of my argument, I have showed that it was my argument that it was a merit list, not a panel in respect of section 8 or 12.
We have taken note of it. But the definition of panel says list of names.
12. And that should be published as in terms of section 7. my lord.
Definition of panel says list of names.
In respect of section 7 of the rule 7, my lord, state selection committee,
Panel.
State level committee will publish that. Not the DPSC.
Section.
Rule 7, my lord. Paper book, my lord.
Just a moment. Rule 7.
Rule 7.
1111.
Definition is 2L, my lord.
Yes.
Definition is 2L.
7.
And rule 7.
Rule 7, yes.
Rule 7 says selection committee.
Yeah.
The board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following council. Subsequently, it was amended.
Acha Baba, where is that line? What you are showing?
Panel, my lord, kindly.
My lord, my lord.
Panel means
We have seen that.
My lord, my lord.
by the board, not by the DPSC.
My lord, 7. My lord,
Kindly
rule.
see the definition of panel.
Yes.
Kindly see the definition of panel. Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for appointment as teacher in primary school, published by the board according to the rule, not by the DPSC. Because why this rule is incorporated in the year 2016.
All right. That Mr. Bhattacharya has argued.
And my lord, the point I was making, my lord, rule 7, a selection committee. The board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following names. Within the jurisdiction of the council, that was the rule. Subsequently, that was a change, and it became the jurisdiction of the board. And next, my lord, 8. 8 is the procedure for preparation of the panel. Rule 8.
That you have placed. That we are not on that. Yes, Mr.
And I refer to section.
What is Bhagavanas was? Yes. Finished, Mr.
But on the panel, just one half line. Half line. He says that panel means a panel published by the board. It is not that the panel was not published by the board. It was published, hung up, my lord, at the respective.
Not DPSC, by the board.
Why do you talk to me?
Panel was
Have the
panel was published, but you stuck it up as a list of names.
in respective school councils. Look, these have been challenged. This has been given effect to Miller under orders of court.
Panel was panel was published by the board, and the district-wise lists were affixed at
The
the
same one
respective
of the respective districts were hung up Miller at the respective. And Miller, the 2016 panel was a district-wise panel.
No, it was amended.
that was amended.
And
was
state-wise
amended.
panel was in 2020.
No. 16
No.
amended.
Yes, yes.
2016 was amended.
September amendment.
Yes.
Board was given the power, taken away from DPS.
Right.
So now you are saying panel was published by the board and hung up in the respective walls of DPSC.
Right.
And their contention is that there was no publication of any panel by the board, who is the competent authority, more so in terms of the amendment.
Yes.
This is
But
their-
according to them, then Miller, they have to tell the court, according to them, who had prepared the panel.
No, your argument is this list of names were already dealt with in prior litigations. That had been your argument.
Yes, yes. Yes.
All right.
September amendment.
এটা কে দিয়েছে দিয়ে দাও এই মনিকাটা কে হাত দিয়েছে ইয়েস এটা হচ্ছে মনিকার প্যারা ইউ শোড মনিকা প্যারা 21
21.
দ্যাট ইজ ইন উইচ প্যারাগ্রাফ ইন রিপোর্টেড অর্ডার এটাই তো পাবো না ইয়েস প্যারা ওরে ইনজাস্টিস অরিজিৎ ব্যানার্জি
But Justice Bhattacharya's order was also placed before my lord.
এটা শোনা
come to page 460 no not before that answer our query no not required sir
Madam, kindly can't page
Yes.
130.
Yes.
Please,
Well,
madam.
kindly have a look,
Just
Lord.
One,
let him complete
board give the direction to the S. Vasudeva and company. Five words, nothing more, nothing less. Kindly turn page number 130.
what
Kindly turn page number 130.
we
It's a
will
board
if,
document.
very good we will come back to you if
Madam,
required yes you complete
135 দাও
Well, please have a look. One paragraph of justice herein by Bhattacharya's order. Just one paragraph.
135 টা দাও
that Mr. Bojumdar said na
Kindly have a look. Lord.
Robiul
5
Robiul.
acha which
Wait, I'll read it for your lordship. Just give me a moment.
paragraph
It's paragraph 15. But kindly have a look from this.
no not required you tell us now you read Richard
In the affidavit of the board, it has been stated in details how Rule 8(5) was followed by the concerned authority. It was specifically stated therein that the eligible candidates were divided into two sections, namely trained and untrained, and also that the candidates were segregated into earmarked and non-earmarked vacancies. The affidavit further states that two sets of panels, one on merit basis and the other on the basis of merit amongst caste category-wise candidates in terms of Rule 8(5) of 2016 rules were also prepared. The said affidavit also speaks about preparation of an alternative set of panels as required under Rule 8(5)(4) of the 2016 rules and an additional panel in terms of Rule 8(6) of the 2016 rules. The affidavit further disclosed as to how counselling was conducted. Then, Millard, apropos your lordship's
Yes,
Millard,
yes,
this para
Now,
50
Mr. Dotto, chart sheet, which portion you want to say?
Yes. Now, Millard, today, Millard, we have the initial chart sheet
4,
and 4 supplementary chart sheet.
3 for supplement.
3 and Millard, the final one
4.
has also come. Final one possibly Millard has not been placed, but please look into these chart sheets. Very, very selectively, Millard, I'll place. On page 42 of the bail application.
Bail application?
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya had handed over Millard a copy.
No, Mr. Bhattacharya has, I can give you the page numbers which Mr. Bhattacharya has given.
But I know Millard which were placed by Mr. Bhattacharya. But there are certain other portions which I would like to Millard.
Please show us, please show us.
But
In
for
brief,
example, Millard, yes, to shorten it, your lordships may directly come to Millard page 51.
this is the first supplementary chart sheet.
First initial chart sheet.
Page 51.
Well, please take me at page number 51. It starts from 42.
Yes.
Investigation, well, the last paragraph over there, second last paragraph. Investigation conducted so far has revealed that the accused so-and-so collected a sum of so-and-so during the period from 2016 to 2022 from 141 undeserving candidates, either through 8 agents or directly from the undeserving job aspirants candidates by giving assurance that the candidates will get job as teachers in primary school through TET 14. Investigation also revealed that Taposh Mondal had connected cash from the following agents. Then, Millard, there is a table. Please take the next page. After the first table, during investigation, the following candidates were also examined who stated that they had paid cash directly to so-and-so. Then after the table, investigation conducted so far revealed that so-and-so had collected the following amount. Then, Millard, these are Millard, how Millard the money went from one person to another. Kindly take Millard page 53, last 5 lines. Investigation also revealed that so-and-so agent of so-and-so also collected so-and-so from 2 such undeserving candidates, namely so-and-so and so-and-so, and delivered it to so-and-so for arranging appointments. However, neither of the said candidates got the job. Can you take the next page? Next paragraph. Investigation has revealed that when the aforesaid undeserving candidate did not get the job, he demanded refund of money. Then can you take the next paragraph? But the fraud which they are saying is completely different from what is projected to the court. Then investigation, we are page 54, the last paragraph. Investigation further revealed that a website by the name of so-and-so was created where undeserving candidates who did not qualify the TET 14 exam was purportedly shown as qualified for the purpose of extorting money. So why website created, undeserving candidates shown, these are not by the board. Undeserving candidates shown, why? For the purpose of Millard alluring them to part with money. Then what is very important is page 55.
So who created this
But
website?
these are not the private persons, the other accused, Taposh and all that.
All right, then
Kindly take me to the next page, the first paragraph. Investigation has also revealed that an email was sent to the undeserving candidates from whom money was collected from email, wherein it was mentioned that their names were included in the present merit list. However, no such candidates' names were included in the valid merit list panel of WBBP. My panel did not have those names. যাচ্ছি দাঁড়া এই তো 55 তো
yes.
Then, Millard, who are involved, Millard, the middle of that page. Thus, the aforesaid acts on the part of the accused persons, namely so and so, constitutes offence under so and so. But initially, Millard, the fraud that they detected was that money was taken from people. They did not get the job. They were shown as persons who were put up in the names appeared in the panel, but that panel was not of the board.
Yes.
Now, kindly take me, Lord, the first supplementary charge sheet, which starts from page 61. But I'll not take much of your lordship's time. But this is the fraud.
We started at 210.
210.
Yes. Page.
Millard, it starts from page 64.
Yes, page 60. That is the first supplementary.
Yes. Now, here your lordship will find the investigation result is that the board does not declare them as passed.
Board did not?
Declared these persons who have been defrauded as passed. Kindly take para 17 at page 69. This is
does that none of their
that
names?
was the first charge sheet. Now, this is the supplementary one. The next one. Please take me to page 69.
69.
Yes.
Result of investigation.
Yes. Here they speak of the previous charge sheet. In the charge sheet filed on so-and-so, it was mentioned that a website by the name of so-and-so was created where undeserving candidates who did not qualify the TET 14 exam were purportedly shown as qualified for the purpose of extorting money from them. It was revealed during investigation that the name of the website was forwarded by so-and-so to his sub-agents further to candidates where they were asked to check the result of the candidates. Investigation revealed that on checking the result in the website, the candidates were purportedly shown as passed. The said website was created in a manner which resembled the original website bearing logo and other attributes of the original website. However, originally candidates did not qualify the exam as per result of NIC. Well, NIC is my website. Government engaged by yes. My results were in the NIC website.
Your results were given in the website?
NIC website.
Yes.
Kindly take the next three lines. That during further investigation, it revealed that the fake was a website by the name and style was created by accused so-and-so, who had purchased the domain so-and-so.
Yes.
Then, Millard, in the next page, Millard, I have already placed, Millard, what was the function of S. Basurai. That is, Millard, at page 70. I have already placed this.
Role of confidential processor.
Right.
Yes.
Then, please take, Millard, page number 73 bottom.
এটাই আমার ঠিক, হ্যাঁ তাহলে আমারটা কোথায়?
73 bottom, the last 3 lines. Investigations has revealed that S. Basurai have assisted so-and-so in responding to RTI queries by checking and supply of OMR scanned copies till the first year of publication of TET 14 result, which belies the claim of the accused person that the OMR scanning was not done and scanned images were not kept. The non-availability of the image copies of the OMR establishes that both WBBPE and partners of S. Basurai had deliberately destroyed the scanned copies of OMR to ensure that irregularities remained undetected. The role of the officials of WBBPE in the entire conspiracy will be looked into during the course of further investigation. Now, this is one part which is against me, where I have shown.
Yes.
Then, in that page, kindly take the last line at page 74. Thus, there was continuous monitoring of the data, and even then, Kaushik Maji of S. Basurai allowed multiple registration against single roll number, destroying the cause for which the web portal was created. An actual total of 118471 qualified candidates had registered online in the web portal. It further revealed that after the online registration of the qualified candidates of TET 14, the attendance broadsheets were printed by S. Basurai, which were supplied to Board of Primary Education.
Now, what is this OMR you are talking? That page 70?
TET 14.
That was state. All right.
But I've told you this is a subject matter of another repetition.
Which one?
This state aspect. TET 14, the alleged irregularities in the TET 14 is the subject matter of a different repetition.
Yes. Can
Now,
we say thank you now? Can we say thank you now?
Where could I then, in that case, could I do one thing? Permit me to hand up a paper.
No further documents. Acha, place. Which more page you want?
They are only indicating
The page numbers of
paragraph numbers of the 5 chart sheets that I intend to place to show that no irregularities have been found in respect of the 2016 recruitment process, except, I'll tell you, I'll give the exact number. Except 360. Please write down 2 figures. One is 264. Irregularities have been found in respect of 264 persons who were all trained candidates.
Now you are saying whose version is this?
This is the CBI's investigation result as of now.
Yes. CBI investigation. That is the chart sheet.
Yes. From the chart sheets.
So you are saying 264 irregularities were found in respect of 264 candidates.
No, 264 plus 96. I am categorizing into 2 parts. Total is 360. 264 plus 96. Now, who are these 264? These are all trained candidates.
Who are outside the scope of this dispute.
Yes. But these people, Millard, were awarded 1 marks because, Millard, there was one question which had 2 correct answers.
That is referred to in Suman Nondi? Huh? Ramesh Malik. Yes.
But
which went up to the Supreme Court and stayed. Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
Therefore, in respect of only
264 was trained.
In respect of these 264, Millard, some irregularities have been found.
And so far 96?
So far as 96 are concerned, Millard, these are also trained, but the difference is they were terminated and they are all working under orders of the Supreme Court. But neither
they are trained,
terminated,
but that training was found to be wrong. That is why you terminated.
No, they were not at all qualified. those were the 4 ones of Karnataka and all, 4 or 5 outside state.
That in your can number 70 paragraph 12. Acha, we shall check. This, so far as these 96 are concerned,
They are also
trained.
terminated by the board.
Why terminated? Why terminated?
Because the board didn't, since they were not TET
Outside
qualified, they were not recommended by us. But they somehow got it, so it was terminated.
Qualification. They did not have the requisite qualification.
Yes, that is not TET qualified.
94 out of 96.
ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
So, my lord, the CBI's investigations result after 5, I am told, my lord,
Give us that page only. This 264 and 96. Do you have that page? I'll give that page to us only.
this your lordship will not have. This is paragraph 29 of the final charge sheet. Final charge sheet is not before your lordships.
Oh,
But I have it. If your lordship permits me, I can hand up. Because when Mr.
you just give us the Xerox of that page. Give a copy to them and give it. Oh, this is a chart sheet. You need not give. You
But
give
the
us a
certified
copy.
copy. Did it?
No, no. This is a final chart sheet. Which page you said?
Where it is para 29 at page 36. Just look at, have a look to only one paragraph.
36. Thou it.
Did it?
You read now, Mr. Dotto. You read.
Thus, it has emerged that recommendation letters in favor of 96 candidates
Recommendation by whom?
were the so-called recommendation by us, who failed to qualify TET 14, and 264 undeserving candidates, that is the mark dispute, who had managed to qualify after award of 1 mark, had been generated by the WBBP. Such recommendation letters form the basis of appointment of all these unqualified, undeserving 360 candidates, within brackets 96 plus 264. It has emerged that these recommendation letters issued by the WBBPE has been sent to the respective primary district school councils, on the basis of which DPSCs had issued appointment letters
Yes.
to the 360 undeserving.
Please give us a Xerox copy of that page.
Only that page.
That will suffice. You are not placing any other page from there.
No, Mr. I
Acha, you give the copy now.
but I want to place, my lord.
Final charge sheet.
But this is the final result. And therefore, please consider one thing, my lord, now. Corruption. Let it go to the CBI, goes to the CBI. CBI today finds irregularities in respect of only 360 candidates, not untrained. They are all trained candidates for which 32,000 people will lose their job. So this would be the final result.
All right.
But only I have left with one point, that is Mr. Sabir Ahmed's analysis.
Mr. Shabir. Eh? Yes. Those who were appointed having got less marks. ওটা আমাদের কাছে আছে তো। In 3 to 4 applications,
Yes, sir.
this allegation was there of rank jumping.
Yes. First is, may I tell you, Lordship, one thing, my lord. Mr. Sabir Ahmed has tried to, my lord, supplement something which is not in the original cause of action, corruption. This cannot be a corruption. Even then, my lord, I'll deal with each of them.
No. If suppose there is a rank jumping explicit,
Yes.
what should be the process to be undertaken?
My lord,
They will say that it is also an irregularity.
it has to be undone.
That they can get the relief in the writ petitions which they have
But
placed.
I am told, my lord, some of them has filed writ petition.
And already some have got the benefit.
No one.
But I am told only one has got the benefit.
The Ajmer Haq, the order cited by Mr. Ahmed, but only one.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes, then what is your argument to that?
my lord, first is, my lord, I have been told that your lordships had allowed Mr. Sabir Ahmed to make submissions or make this analysis on the presumption that this is in respect of only one subject, that is Bengali. This I am told. Again, I do not know whether my information
That is
correct.
his statement in the application. Only in respect of Bengal.
My lord, the chart or the instances which my learned friend Mr. Sabir Ahmed has given suffers from two discrepancy. Number one, all the examples are not of the same subject.
Subject, medium.
Medium.
Yes.
And number two, they don't correspond with the district. Suppose I am from, say, Uttar Dinajpur. I am being compared with somebody from Midnapur and said that I have less mark, I have got appointment, but Midnapur person has not got it.
No.
So that comparison cannot be made.
That's not what he said.
Yes,
Given a chart
yes.
of a particular district, and of that particular district, the candidate he's representing was a.
That is what has been represented to the court.
Correct.
We have done our research and have found that all of them, or rather most of them, I won't say all of them, all of them, my lord, the comparisons are made between persons of different districts.
No, but there's the district code is given.
No. There is a TET district code. This similar for
Page 220.
The can 4.
Can 4. Page 220. 160. 220.
All right. You have.
So, my lord, this chart also, my lord, which we have prepared, I'll hand up to the court, where we have made the distinction as against Bengali, there is comparison is made with Santhali. As against Bengali, comparison is made with Hindi. Even Telugu, I find.
Santhali.
Urdu. And my lord, different districts. But kindly permit me to hand up one chart with few examples. And the long charts that he has given, everything is, my lord, there's complete discrepancy. But, therefore, my lord, what I say is, my lord, these are not comparables. He ought to have shown from the same district, in the same subject, somebody with lesser marks has got appointment.
Mr. Kishore Dotto, learned senior advocate aviator. So only for one madam was appearing. She will say first. She said that she will take 10 minutes from us. Either Mr. Mojumdar, we request you that whatever you are saying in reply, if any other thing is to be said in reply by the other advocates, please you advance it to us so that we can conclude the hearing. And Mr. Dotto, as regards this comparable, not comparable, you are saying, you show us because he has shown us from Can.
Yes.
5 minutes, this can be.
But Mr. Sanyal can do that.
But may I just assist your lordship? Your lordship kindly come to this chart given by Mr. Sabir Ahmed. Kindly come to page 66. One of the examples, she cited 3 out of this. I will take your lordship one by one.
No, that is what you are saying, that if these are not comparable, you want to show us the case.
একটা দেখি তো।
Clarify it, your losses how?
Yes, yes.
Page 66.
We again have to bring out that entire topic, no? That has gone to our chamber. পেয়েছো কি?
এইটাই
এইটা চারটা না, এটার সাথে দিও একটু আমাকে। এইটা কি বাবা পার্টি? এটা তো সাহেবের কপি। আমারটা কি ইয়েতে আছে? চেম্বারে আছে। Yes, page
Page
6.
66. It starts from page 66. Your losses, Jagannath Mishra, the bottom, and just bottom page 66. This was specially mentioned by Mr. Sabir Ahmed.
Yeah, page 66.
Bottom, the bottom.
Arindam Mishra. Arindam Mishra.
Jagannath Mishra, page 66.
There is no Jagannath.
This is bottom.
Jagannath.
Sudev Kanti, Amit Chatterjee, Arindam Mishra.
Exactly. Top, just above that, Jagannath Mishra.
Oh, acha, got Jagannath Mishra. Yes.
He was telling Jagannath Mishra with these three. The Jagannath Mishra at the right hand side 14 marks, the other secured lesser marks.
page 60 টা দেখা গেছে।
This 17 roll number, this is district code.
Hmm.
And the rest is the roll number. Matlab, state roll number was an unique number used in the recruitment process. State roll number was the candidate of the roll number. Now, in the application form, option was given to all the candidates. You can choose your district. Suppose I belong to Purulia. I can choose Alipurduar. Because matlab, vacancies are different. Purulia 100, Alipurduar 1000. This option was given to the candidates. Now, your lordship, kindly see the next. Sudebna Kanti Banerjee. He also belongs to Purulia. 17. All are 17. These three.
No, we don't follow. What you are saying? Jagannath Mishra secured 14, which is higher than the three candidates.
According to them.
Yes, then what
Now
is your explanation?
I tell you, lordship, Jagannath Mishra applied, belongs to Purulia district.
That is
He
17.
applied for Purulia.
That is 17.
17.
Huh.
Now, the other three,
They also applied for.
no, they belong to Purulia, but they applied for other districts.
But how will we know that?
I tell you, that's what I'm saying, lordship. Kind of look at Sudev Kanti Banerjee. He was appointed in Uttar Dinajpur.
Where do you find that?
But that's what I'm saying, Mala. My instruction. How?
appointment letter আছে।
What about page 60?
No, no, how this has been done?
তাহলে page 60 টা
You
কি
will
হলো?
keep the appointment letter.
At the time of counseling যাবে।
তুমি দিনাজপুর বের করো না, দিনাজপুর জেনারেটর থেকে কম।
So both of them has chosen 17.
No, no, 17 is the district code number for TET. The same roll number continued for the
Yeah, 17 is the district code.
district code.
40.
Only
It is the district code for TET.
TET.
Yes.
Now, this roll number carried. in
আরে
the
প্রতীকেরটা কি হবে?
recruitment
প্রতীক তো
process.
21 পয়েন্ট পেয়েছে।
Now, in the recruitment process, he had the option to choose particular district. Instead of Purulia also, he can choose Purulia or else district.
So this 17 is the district code for TET,
TET.
which is automatic. You
Auto-
cannot choose.
No,
As you hail from Purulia, you have to be Purulia.
That's it. Then you'll also all the three candidates out of
Then Jagannath Mishra,
Applied for which district?
Purulia.
He's from Purulia, applied.
He applied for
You are saying that Shudev Kanti and others, somebody
applied for other districts.
How do we know that?
But that's how I will show the appointment letters.
then what difference does it make? Then their number will be, should be compared with the persons in the
In
district.
Alipurduar, what district they appoint?
Yeah.
District by- Now I tell your lordships,
What about
Uttar
page
Dinajpur
60?
is the highest vacancy. So he applied, he had the option, he calculated.
Acha, where is that provision for option in the advertisement?
Advertisement,
No, no, please give us the number, na?
slot,
Provision for option,
option.
26 September 2016.
Clause, I give you a lordship. এই অপশনটা কোথায় গেল জানো?
মিটিংটা সে নিচে পুরুলিয়াতে কে কে চাকরি দেখেছো? না না, ওরা তো পিক এন্ড চুজ করছে, ওরা তো পেজ 60 টাও কনসিডার করতে পারে। বলছি মালাটা আমিও বলবো। What about page 60?
Very good, you find it out.
426 জন যার পেছনে চাকরি করছে। তাহলে একটা উদাহরণ দেখি কি করে। 24 পরগনা 14 পয়েন্ট, আরেকজন 24 পরগনা What are they saying? Pinky Pal is from 24 Pargona. She has got 18.
আমার এখন আমি করে দিই রিজার্ভেশন হচ্ছে
তাহলে ওটা নর্থ চব্বিশ
No,
পরগনা
they have told from other district, Mr. Sannal.
My lord, your lordships,
Tate, you said Tate is residences, residence related. Tate is residence related. But choice, when I apply for recruitment, when I apply online after successful being test, yeah. Now, I say that at that time I have an option whether I will choose India or will I. That is, as if the vacancies are more in another district, I will choose for it's better.
no, that I read out to your lordship.
So that is like pass category option and postgraduate category option.
That's like that. My lord, here choice have been given to the candidate district-wise panel. Now, suppose, my lord, in Purulia district, 100 vacancies. I can assess that I will not get a chance.
Is what you are showing?
That's, my lord, the recruitment.
আমার রিপোর্ট থেকে আমি যাচ্ছি চটপট করেছে
Option is clause.
Clause, I tell you, lord, qualification clause. Three. Now, candidate, your lordship, I just read out to your lordship.
Very difficult. So just think about our problems.
I have submission.
Acha, you check it up and tell us.
My lord, your lordship remembers on the last occasion, rising my lord, I mentioned that one submission your lordship remembered next day your lordship will incorporate that. My lord, on 29th October, it was recorded by your lordship that Mr. Bhattacharya appeared for can so and so. I said that 2 more cans are required to be incorporated because he also appeared for those cans also.
Oh, that line likhe na to.
And my lord, another thing,
Yeah,
your lordship,
let us go one by one.
Your lordships, kindly, I'm handing over for your lordships noting. Pencil mark. In the rule itself also says that.
Tell us the rule now.
I've just handed over to
Tao onake dao na, rule ta dao onake uni be.
রিপ্লাই করতে
What rule?
My lord, 2016 rules as amended.
As amended.
As amended.
এটাই আছে। এটা আচ্ছা না। Which rule you are saying?
My lord, rule 4, sub rule 6. Now 7. After 6, inserted 7.
Page.
Page, your lordships, 15. This is our, I do not know whether tell you.
Rule 6 is 7.
আরে বাবা এই তো সবাই চাকরি করছে এরা কোথায় লেটার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি
7 হচ্ছে
দেখো না যেদিনকে ভট্টাচার্য অ্যাপিয়ার করেছিল ফর হুম বলেছি ওই আগের অর্ডার শিটটা ওকে একটু দাও তো।
4-7.
হ্যাঁ 4
চাকরি করছে
Mr. Sannal, you just tell us on that day.
7.
পরের দিন বলে দিও না না কবে রাখলেন
129. Yes.
Thanks, your lord. Candidate may be allowed to apply for the post of a prime minister only against a statewide.
কালকে বলে দিও আজকে
I got tomorrow.
Everybody is excited.
That's your losses. That's why I'm showing the amendment itself.
আরে কালকে বলে দিস
I'm sorry. Page 124.
Well, it's better your lordship hears tomorrow on this issue. 5 minutes.
No, our hearing.
Not me.
No, he will not argue. Show us that. Show us.
Well, your losses.
Next date only Mr. Mojumdar and his colleagues if they want to.
Mark 4. Well, kindly see rule 4 B.
Rule 4.
B. After sub rule 6, insert the following sub rule. Then 7 inserted. Any candidate shall be allowed.
Rule. 4 rule. Rule 4.
Rule 4.
Amended rule.
Amended rule. Rule 4. Kindly skip over A. B.
B in sub rule
After
3.
sub rule 6, insert the following sub rule.
সেটা মিলছে না তো।
It's 7.
তো একটা দিকে
After
Page 124.
124. After subrule B, insert the following subrule. Any candidate shall be allowed to
Any candidate shall be allowed to apply for the post of a primary school teacher of a particular council only against the post.
So this was on 23rd. When was the advertisement? 26th.
And this clause was specific.
So amendment was brought about prior to
But
all the amendments.
all them. All them.
Then how did it become a district-wise panel?
Yes.
If board is the authority, board is to publish the panel.
Yes, my lord.
Then how district-wise distribution is there?
Selection process was district-wise.
No, it was board.
District-wise.
Every
And this clause specifically
Millard 8-5. Millard, kindly have a look to 8-5.
Tomorrow we are concluding the hearing. This much please take note of.
8-5.
Tomorrow we are concluding.
8-5. Rule 8-5.
What you tell now? What you
District-wise panel.
Yes, that we have seen. They are arguing. Please explain to us if district-wise panel underwent a change, amendment that board is with the authority in publishing the panel. Then how did you continue with that old process, giving the powers vested upon the respective DPSCs? Your argument was that panel was of the board, but this was given to the respective districts for publication and attachment on the wall of the district
No, it was
DPSC.
never done.
This is your argument.
Yes. Therefore, board prepared it district-wise, displayed in the respective DPSCs of.
Whatever.
Panel preparation start was made by the yes, company.
My lord,
Page number 1.
That they are choosing blood one particular candidate, but in the first blood I have also 60. Page 60, Purulia. There are 426 persons.
I can explain each of them.
my lord, I will not trouble your lordship, my
Yes,
lord.
it got 21.957. Then even if I say in Purulia also,
If we do not set aside the selection process, you get that benefit in your pending writ petition.
My lord, I will not trouble your lordship. I have,
that 20% who are also
So
working.
you can, your issue is whether why you are being added on the basis that if you set aside the recruitment process on the basis of this allegation of rank jumping. This is one aspect of it. And the other aspect was you said that I have already taken my point in the writ petition, but this point I am placing it to the court so that this can help in striking down the entire process. So we asked you, your argument is
That's
My lord, my
my
lord.
point is blood because I have portrayed before your lordship that there are many candidates who have secured less mark than me, but in service. I say
You are not concerned with the well-being.
no,
of
I'm
the
only.
My lord.
If you get the job, you're happy.
There are
My lord.
vacancies. There are vacancies because in the charge sheet they have said CBI has also said there are as many as 1,300 candidates who have been secured job in adopting malpractice. So my lord, those vacancies are there. Kindly accommodate me. in
My
that.
lord, this was my
That's the
what did you say about this
my lord,
panel?
my lord, may I know?
What did you say about this code number? What you are saying? This is which is
My lord, my
pointed
lord.
out by him.
My lord, Leonard, whatever my Leonard friend is saying about the code number, it is correct. It is correct. For example, I am from Kolkata. I am seeing vacancies are there in the district of Murshidabad. I will opt for Murshidabad. That is fact. No doubt in that. In Can 9, I have submitted my notes on argument before your lordship. In my notes on argument, a dedicated paragraph is there on this point. What happened, my lord? I have categorically showed the fraud has been committed upon the reserve category candidates. Why? Reserve category candidates, the person who scored better marks than the general category candidate. I have given example, I have given proof in Can 9 and page has been mentioned in my notes on argument that a fraud has been committed for that they have not got the job. If the proper selection process was done, if rule 8.5 was followed, we would have get appointment. My point is very simple, my lord. About cancellation, about the particular order, our demand is very simple. Or more than 5,000 persons are there, they want their jobs.
What correction you are wanting?
My lord, the 29th October order.
Make it so tedious for us. You were with Mr. Otto, your junior was there. He did not hand over the application number.
there are many.
How you make it to you stretch to the maximum that we will trouble the court in this fashion? Are you in this matter? Can 2 and Can 3. He appeared in Can 2 and Can 3.
I am for the Can 2. I am for the
You were for
Can 44, Can 47 and Can 76.
in this also he appeared.
Yes, that is why
You are in which Can?
My lord, those in written, I have given in all those matters.
The list of
44, 47, 65, 76, 89 and 108. Then you are in which matter?
Everyone.
It's not my document, it is that book's documents.
And my lord, I handed. My lord,
Yes, we are not admission.
এটাতে নিচে একটা দিয়ে দিও, উপরে দিয়ে দিও একটা।
এখানেও তো আমার আমি যা
typography